In this video, I teach you how to earn $5 for entering words every 60 seconds, which is one of the simplest methods to make money online. How should it be done? We'll soon find out. This is how you may make money online by typing words. Start typing while enjoying your favorite coffee and earn up to $300 per hour. You just have to make sure you're doing it correctly. However, if you don't want to type it, you can simply copy and paste it. Keep watching as I demonstrate exactly how to accomplish it. Also, signing up for this website is free. You don't have to pay anything ahead of time, and you don't need to know how to write. Welcome to Financial Fluence. In this video, I'll teach you how to get $5 every 60 seconds for typing words. Let's now get going. You should start by visiting typingtest.com and taking a 60-second typing test there. When you first arrive at the website, click on Typing Tests. You will be taken to this page. Join the 150 million plus test takers and test your typing speed in only 1 minute by starting to type. Therefore, you can pick a 1 to 10 minute exam and then select text passages or words that are extremely crucial. Please log in and select the medium text choice and the 1 minute exam. The best part is that your smartphone can handle anything. As you can see, clicking the Start Test button will allow you to start typing. After that, they will time how swiftly you type for 1 minute. So for instance, if I start typing a certain set of words, the timer will start ticking and my typing speed will be shown. You can get free typing lessons to help you type more quickly by going back to the home page and clicking on Typing Courses. This is because I'll show you a couple areas in this video where you might get money by just typing. Additionally, you earn extra money by typing more quickly. This will be the top website on our list as a result. As you can see right now, $1.25 per minute. Let's now run the computations online using a calculator. So you can get $75 or $1.25 per minute if you type for 60 minutes or an hour. You can earn $225 just by typing for 3 hours. Additionally, 5 hours of typing can earn you up to $375. As a result, this is a once-in-a-lifetime chance. This website is incredibly reliable. It is trusted by more than 170,000 people from a wide range of sectors worldwide. Rev.com is the name of this website. I'd like you to visit their main page right now. As you can see, transcription costs $1.25 per minute. Captions are the same, and foreign subtitles range from $3 to $7 per minute. Coming from a different country actually provides you with an advantage. For example, if you're from India and there's no Hindi subtitle, you can help. After that, the videos are converted from English to Hindi or vice versa. This is a lucrative business opportunity. The hourly wage as shown ranges from $3 to $7. Let's check your current earning potential. If you make $5 per minute on average, you can make $300 per hour by simply translating films to foreign subtitles. I'd advise beginning with video transcription if you're just getting started and don't speak a foreign language. It seems like $1.25 per minute would be more than enough. So, at this time, freelancers are visible if you scroll to the bottom of this website. You'll be taken to this page after clicking it, where you can view Rev freelance jobs with very flexible work schedules. You will get paid every week, and you can choose from hundreds of jobs. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. And let's continue. The next website on our list is transcribeme.com, which you can also join for free. When you visit their homepage, you'll notice a few job openings. You may type and earn money online by doing things like transcription or translation. I'd like you to concentrate on transcription because it pays the most. As you can see, they have the best rates in the market, with earnings ranging from $15 to $22 every audio hour and a monthly maximum of $2,200. Let's go to an online calculator and do some math. That works out to $22 per audio hour, and you may earn $110 if you do it for 5 hours. It does, however, pay less than Rev.com. So I advise you to set aside some time and join Rev.com because it is a better option. You can sign up for both Rev.com and TranscribeMe.com if you want to diversify your revenue. Simply click Get Started to be sent to a page where you can sign up. This website is wonderful since you can work from your phone or computer, and they have very flexible work hours and timetables, so you can work at your own pace. The nice aspect is that they just provide 2 to 4 minute videos, so it's not overly long. Consider how much you could earn if you spent half an hour transcribing, or even an hour. You only need to submit your name, last name, and email address. Make sure to enter your true email address for the confirmation link for account activation. Then you can create and confirm your password right here. After that, input your PayPal account information so that they may send you the payment. Always check your email because they will send you verification facts regarding your typing speed, and they will occasionally ask you what your typing speed is. Typingtest.com comes in handy here. You can take a typing test on this website to find out what your typing speed is in terms of word per minute. You'll get your findings right away after taking the test. All you have to do now is take a screenshot of the outcome and email it to them. This is your typing speed, which you can improve or even double by enrolling in one of the typing courses available on this website. You will have additional job opportunities as a result of this. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.